tornado warning for
Johnson.
Central Johnston County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southwest of Clayton, Oregon, 13 miles west of Smithfield, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Smithfield, Clayton. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Central Johnston County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southwest of Clayton, Oregon, 13 miles west of Smithfield, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. 15 p.m. for the following counties: Johnston, North Carolina. Locations include Smithfield, Clayton, Micro, Selma, Four Oaks, Pine Level, Kinley, Princeton, Coates, Crossroads, and Flowers. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Johnston, North Carolina.
All right.